Hello. I had a hard time finding instructions on how to connect the wiring for a condensate pump for your furnace. So I'm taking a video here as an example. So we have two wires that come out the back of your condensate pump, and we're extending them to come into the furnace. This is our two wires combined here coming in. And what you need to do is connect one of the wires to your top here, the R, and the other one is going to be connected to the red wire that's coming out of your thermostat cable, which may already be connected if you don't have it connected yet. It may be connected somewhere else, but you got to join it to your condensate pump wire, so this way if the safety switch triggers, it will turn off both the furnace and the thermostat. I think. I'm not an expert, but that's how it's wired. And if you want to test that you've done it correctly, you can take the top off of your condensate pump by pushing in. Well, it probably depends on your pump, but usually there's like a way you can sort of push in the side and pull the top off, and there is a switch that you can push that would be the equivalent of the safety switch. I mean, it is the safety switch, so you can test that and see if it turns everything off. That's how you do it.